If the attribute is true, then we are displaying this result division itself. Displaying this result division. This is just a condition. Okay? So let's see if there are parts, what you can do is our if, then inside that set attribute means this is called how to use else, if else. If there is no records, what you can do is no records found. Okay, this is how you have to use our if else. Okay, if the records are there, then only you have to display something. Use this. So, but here the problem will be like this. Always text will be keep on displaying here. See here. Say okay. Give something test. It displays it, and let's say if I give something widget, search it. It says us there are no records found. Okay, so this is how you have to use the aura if and conditions. So there is one more thing, lightning notification library. Okay, so let's say if you don't enter any data, say okay, remove that, search it. All the records are getting displayed, right? So this thing I don't want. I need at least some text on this one. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to check the value of this one var string. Okay, so then you have to display one message. For that, let's use one lightning notification library. Okay, it's called how it displays. Need colon notification library. Okay, aura id to notification. So what is this notification library will do is just to display some message. That's it. Lightning notification. Like this. Cool. Notification. This one. Notifications, not notification. Notifications library. Okay. So when there are no records or something, if you want to display some text or something here, use dot util dot empty Salesforce. Text. So let's do one more thing. First, this string inside this if search string equals to D, then we need to display some message. Okay, so for that, what you can do is you have to get where notification to component find, or you can directly do here component find of what is our attribute, our ID have given notification dot show toast message. Okay. Show toast message. Please or this component dot find dot. So you have different things like so here this is just show toast message and there is a notice and you have to understand what kind of notification libraries are there. Okay, here let me go ahead and use this component dot show toast. Okay, title is success message. I need to give please tell search string. Okay, title is and variant equals to error. Okay, can use like this. This is how you have to use notification library. So what is notification library? So this notification library is used to show some messages. Okay, error messages, success messages, how it will be. Yeah. And after showing that, it has to come back. You want to continue. Done. If you use return in the JavaScript function, then wherever you keep the return, then simply it will be come back. It won't execute the next line. Okay. I'm going to write without giving, use this. Why it's not okay. Oh, sorry. To give notification. Because this Aura attribute, what I have given here, this is notification. Same name you have to use there. Please enter the search string. This is warning and it is displaying like this. Okay, and it won't continue. See here, won't continue. So this, if you want to give that, just give test, then it will be give display. Okay, the same what we can do is even inside the helper class here, same you can give error messages also. Like something went wrong. This is error, right? So here you can give success. Success. Variant is success. Give that matching records are found. What you can do here in else condition. error. Okay. Something is contact administrator. Okay, so here just is I'm giving XYZ and trying to search for the records. Say here, no matching records found. Values is success, but still no matching records are found. So if you give test, records will be displayed here. Okay, so this is the lightning component what we have written now. So let's recap this what you have done. So we have learned two events, that is aura waiting and aura done waiting. Means whenever in whenever a request is sent to the apex controller, or let's say when the component is getting loaded, it's waiting for the response. So during that time, that event will be keep on executing. That's called aura waiting. Okay, when every response is send the response back, I mean every request is send the response back, and everything it's needed is ready, then aura done waiting means waiting is completed. What you have to do, so for that, just here our request is just to show the spinner. To show the spinner, we have one lightning tag called lightning spinner. Lightning spinner, nothing but where we have to display some spinning icon on the screen. So when it is getting loaded, okay, these two events we have learned, and then notification library. So what is notification library? When you want to display some messages on the user screen, when the response is come back, and if for errors or success or warning, whatever you need to do. So here variant will be there. See here variant. So change the appearance of the notice, how it will be displayed. So default, see variant in, see info, success, warning, error. These four you can keep here. Here, so whatever I have used here, so error I am giving, and then success I am giving, right? Error, success, and then see this info and warning as well. These many types you can try this one. Okay, so what is the mode? You can give mode also. Mode means sticky, sorry, so mode means how it should be displayed on the user screen. So let's say if you make it sticky, you have to close it. So let's try that. Let's say please enter the search thing. Okay, so here I'm giving warning. Okay, and when I search something no records, then I'm giving info, sorry, info. Here it is, variant we have to give. Okay, so now, and mode I'm going to give like see this mode is to sticky, giving sticky. And here one more thing, info, sorry, pested dismissible. See here, if you give dismissible, remains visible until you click the close button or 3 seconds has elapsed, whichever comes first. Means it waits for 3 seconds. If you don't close it, automatically it will be closed. Else, it will just simply go out. And then pested, remains visible for 3 seconds and disappear automatically. No close button is provided. So this is default one. Okay, so default is dismissible, and remaining thing is this one. So here, so we have already seen this dismissible. Okay, let's go ahead and paste it in. Okay, so sticky we can see first. sticky we have already given. Dismissible. So dismissible is nothing but here if you give something search, see this is called dismissible. Text will be there, this will be gone after 3 seconds. Okay, so that's called dismissible. And let's use something called pester. This is the same, visible for 3 seconds and disappear automatically, but there will be no close button. See this here, close button is there, right? So if you give pester, there will be no close button. Let's use this info sticky. Use this info sticky. First one, what we have given, well, variant equals variant should be info is fine. Wrong. Type equals to, now here click search. So warning will be like this, okay, and it won't closed until unless if you close this, it won't be closed because that is sticky mode. Sticky mode means you have to click on close, else it will be there itself. How long it will be keep on staying there itself. Okay, next we have the mode called sticky mode. Say X by Z search something. There is no matching records found. Wait for some time, it will be discussed. Okay, so this is the notification library. Okay, so you guys have learned today so done waiting and 2 hour waiting. These two things, 2 events you have learned. Okay, and then spinner on how to use the notification libraries. Okay, so try this one and learn something on this, and try to learn this also, like show, hide, handle, show, toast. If you want to create something, that is fine. Okay, so this show notice, you can try this one. Okay, show notice. And if you want to display something, so what is show notice? Same like doing the message and everything, but when you click on close, okay, immediately something want to happen, then you can do this show notice. Okay, try this one and let me know if you have any questions. But try the, I'll ask interview question how this will work. Not so how notification library will work and how the spinner will work. What are the 2 events we have? This tomorrow I'll ask you guys to write this syntax as well. Okay guys, any questions on this?